Hello, students! Welcome back. Today we are going to study Chapter 2, Diversity in the Living World. Imagine this. It is early morning after rain. The air feels fresh. The leaves are shining with water droplets. Dr. Raghu, a scientist, is walking with students in a park. He asks them to observe everything carefully. As you walk, you see grass under your feet. You see tall trees above you. You see butterflies flying. You hear birds chirping. Now stop and think. Do all plants look the same? No. Do all animals look the same? No. Some plants are tall, like trees. Some plants are small, like grass. Some animals fly, like birds. Some animals walk, like dogs. Some animals swim in water. This beautiful variety of living organisms is called diversity. Diversity means having many different types of living things in one place. In simple words, diversity means variety in living organisms. Nature is full of diversity. Everywhere you look, you will see different kinds of plants and animals. Diversity in plants and animals around us. Now imagine continuing the nature walk. You look around and observe plants carefully. Some plants have soft stems. Some plants have hard stems. Some plants are tall. Some plants are short. You also observe animals. Birds are flying. Ants are crawling. Difference is what makes nature rich and beautiful. Biodiversity means the variety of living organisms present in a particular place. For example, a forest has trees, insects, birds, animals, and microorganisms. This is biodiversity. Biodiversity helps maintain balance in nature. Each organism plays an important role. Plants provide food and oxygen. Animals help in spreading seeds. All living organisms are connected. How to group plants and animals. Now imagine trying to study thousands of different plants and animals. It would be very confusing, so scientists group them based on similarities. Grouping means putting similar organisms into the same category. Grouping makes studying easier and more organized. For example, in your home, you group books separately, clothes separately, and toys separately. Similarly, plants and animals are grouped based on their features. How to group plants. Now observe plants carefully. Some plants are very tall, like mango trees. Some plants are medium-sized, like rose plants. Some plants are small, like tomato plants. Based on height and stem, plants are grouped into three main types. Trees are tall plants with thick, hard stems. Example, mango tree, neem tree. Shrubs are medium-sized plants with hard stems but smaller than trees. Example, rose plant, cotton plant. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. Example, tomato plant, wheat plant. Now observe plants like money plant. It grows by taking support of a wall. These are called climbers. Climbers are plants with weak stems that grow using support. Example, money plant, pea plant. Now observe pumpkin plant growing on ground. It spreads on the ground. These are called creepers. Creepers are plants with weak stems that grow along the ground. Example, pumpkin, watermelon. Leaf venation. Now pick up a leaf and observe it carefully. You will see thin lines on the leaf. These lines are called veins. The pattern made by veins is called venation. Venation means the arrangement of veins in a leaf. There are two types of venation. Reticulate venation. Veins form a net-like pattern. Example, mango leaf, hibiscus leaf. Parallel venation. Veins run parallel to each other. Example, grass leaf, banana leaf. Venation helps in grouping plants. Now, types of roots. Now imagine pulling out a small plant carefully from soil. You will see roots. Roots help plants absorb water and minerals. Roots also help plants stay fixed in soil. There are two main types of roots. Taproot, one thick main root with smaller roots branching from it. Example, mustard plant, carrot plant. Fibrous root, many thin roots growing together. Example, grass plant, wheat plant. Usually, plants with reticulate venation have taproots. Plants with parallel venation have fibrous roots. This helps scientists classify plants more accurately. Monocots and dicots. Now imagine observing seeds. Inside seeds are cotyledons. Cotyledons are seed leaves present inside seeds. If a seed has one cotyledon, it is called a monocot. Example, maize, rice. Monocot plants usually have fibrous roots and parallel venation. If a seed has two cotyledons, it is called a dicot. Example, chickpea, pea. Dicot plants usually have taproots and reticulate venation. This helps scientists classify plants more accurately. Diversity in animals based on movement. Now observe animals carefully. Animals move in different ways. Birds fly using wings. Fish swim using fins. Dogs walk using legs. Snakes crawl using their body. Movement helps animals find food and escape danger. Animals are grouped based on movement and body structure. Habitat and surroundings. Now think about where organisms live. Fish live in water. Camels live in desert. Birds live on trees. The place where an organism lives is called habitat. Habitat means the natural home of an organism. Habitat provides food, water, air, and shelter. There are two main types of habitat: terrestrial habitat, land habitat. Example, forest, desert, mountains. Aquatic habitat, water habitat. Example, river, lake, ocean. Some animals live both on land and water. These are called amphibians. Example, frog. Amphibians means animals that live both on land and water. Adaptation. Now think about how organisms survive in different habitats. Fish live in water. Fish have fins and streamlined bodies to swim easily. Camel lives in desert. Camel has a hump to store food. Camel has long legs to walk on sand. These special features help organisms survive in their environment. These features are called adaptations. Adaptation means special features that help organisms survive in their habitat. Adaptations help organisms live successfully in their environment. Importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is very important. It helps maintain balance in nature. Plants provide oxygen, animals help maintain food chain. Humans depend on plants and animals. If biodiversity is lost, nature becomes unbalanced. So biodiversity must be protected. Protecting forests and animals helps protect biodiversity. So students, today we learned that nature has many different living organisms. This variety is called diversity. The variety of organisms in one area is called biodiversity. Understanding diversity helps us understand nature better. Great job, students! For more educational videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and continue learning.